Hi guys. Can it run War Thunder? No, it can't run War Thunder. Quit asking. Nothing can run War Thunder, don't you know? But yeah, guys, this is the monthly giveaway PC. The PC we're going to be giving away Friday. Friday's the giveaway stream, 6-hour stream, playing a lot of video games, and well, giving away a PC, so it's gonna be a good time. Frost, hello, Deformation, Hassaded. You guys start the stream at the same time. We tried to. Sometimes we're late, but we aim for 9 a.m. Eastern time.
One other. First time watching you all live, always catch the VODs later in the day. Well, thank you for watching the VODs. Thank you for watching us live. Yeah, you got lucky timing. I mean, we're literally building the giveaway PC. What's up, guys? It's that time of the month. We're feeling generous. We're ready to build a gaming PC and give it away to one of you all.
This right here is a $600 gaming PC. You can build at home, but don't worry about building it. You can buy 4 of these PCs from PCBros.tech, but you can also win one of these bad boys over on twitch.tv/ToastyBros, which we'll talk about later on today's video. But let's not. Okay. But of course, with these PC builds, we gotta pay for them somehow. Let's hear a word from today's sponsor.
So these PCs we will be selling for $650 plus shipping, and it cost us right at $600 to actually build these PCs. So you're getting Windows 11 Pro installed, tested, and activated. You're getting a 1-year warranty that is parts and labor, and on top of that, you're getting some of the best customer support in the industry. For the CPU, we have the i3-12100F. This is all reliable right here. This is 12th gen, meaning you have Gen 4 support out of the box. And to cool that i3, I've been seeing this cooler a lot lately. This is the ID Cooling SC214XT. Now for the motherboard, we have the ASRock B660M HDV. We have some T-Force Vulcan Z at 16 gigs, 3200 megahertz. And also thanks to Team Group for sending over 5 of their 500 gig Gen 4 NVMe SSDs. Now this is not one of them because we needed something to put on the set. We're still waiting on them to show up, and we need to finish this freaking video.
This is the RX 5500 XT, which I'll give them credit. The art design on this box is something crazy. This is the Zalman Gigamax 600 watt 80 plus bronze power supply. Now for the case. I wanted to go with something different, but there's really not any groundbreaking new micro ATX cases on the market, so we went with the good old VTrue M03, which is a VTrue case that has some nice airflow up front. Goated YouTube channel. Goated.
We're goated and throated.
Goated and threaded. Give us all the gossip. Are you talking about Zach's toe?
I mean, it's getting to the point where, like, we'll be filming, you guys don't see it, but he's literally under the table, like, playing with their feet.
Yeah, it's becoming a real issue here.
It's funny if you tune in this stream right when we said that. I'm like,
Excuse me? It's updated? Oh, crap, look at you. Wow, so proud of Zach. So proud. Zaddy finally doing his job. He does. That man is working for free. He's most definitely not working for free. I can guarantee he is not working for free. Slowly but surely running this company under. So how do you guys build one PC together? So basically, I'm prepping the case, getting all the fans and everything in there. Jackson's getting the motherboard together. Plop it all in. He runs the cables from the back side of the case into the front, and I, you know, just plug them in.
How many PCs have we built? So, I mean, for PC Bros, like, alone, I would probably, I'm sure sometime I can get like an accurate number, but I would guess somewhere in the realm of like 3,500 to maybe 5,000 computers. And then Toasty Bros, we've been building for such a long time. I can't imagine it's that many.
Because in videos, we only have...
We've definitely built some PCs outside of videos too, just not a ton.
Oh yeah, this is 1.2K videos, so yeah, around that range.
So yeah, I mean, I would guess we've, because not all those are PC builds, but I'd probably just say to be safe, I'd probably say like, oh, well, then the morning stream. We can't forget the morning stream. Most of those aren't videos, and we've been doing these morning build streams now for like about 2 years straight. And even before that, we used to build PCs live every so often, so I don't know. I mean, maybe we are close to the PC Bros numbers. Like, I'd probably guess we've built, I mean, at least 1,500 by now.
That's a lot of videos. Pinky Tech, you're gonna get there.
Yeah, dude, you're almost there.
You're almost there. 4090 and Optiplex next? No, guys, listen.
Stop it.
You're insane. What if a 4090 would work in one of those P520s?
Well, you can get one with a, I think it's like a 1,200 watt, but I've never seen it.
Yeah, that'd be so
I just know you can. We always recommend checking out Exclamation Point giveaway if there's really, our giveaways are like so simple, it's insane. But
it's simple and it's confusing to you guys at the same time because all you gotta do is be here. Like you don't have to do anything, just be in chat.
Which that probably confuses people because they're like, giveaways are normally really hard.
Yes. He said we should start a PC business.
Okay, we'll consider it.
We'll consider. We'll heavily consider it.
Is the RX 5500 and 5500 XT the same? No, they're not. They're the 5500 is like a slightly dumbed down version.
And I think it only goes up to 4 gigs. This one's an 8 gig.
Yup.
which we do have a video, by the way, which I have no idea how it's going to turn out. It's going to take a lot of deep diving. We have a RX 580 that we bought on AliExpress that is a 16 gig RX 580. Really freaking weird. Is it real? I don't know, but we'll do our best to verify that. We'll play some games that will really...
I graduated, okay? I don't have to deal with this crap anymore.
Ah! He was so close to being able to do a full PC, but they still got some work to do.
Hey, I like Linus. Linus is my favorite tech YouTuber, but I'm just saying, I really do vouch for ourselves, and I think we're one of the best giveaway tech channels there is.
What do you mean, Demon Man? We're worth at least $200 million.
Oh, one of my old man rants again. Yeah, go ahead. Give us an offer for the companies. Go ahead.
We'll sell.
Yeah.
Right now.
First bid.
I'm out the door.
Woohoo! Woohoo! ChatGPT is cool because you know it'll give you some really exciting descriptions like this PC will change your life and cure you of all diseases.
Some of it's like it'd be a really budget PC, and it'll go in and it's like this PC will help you dominate your competition.
Yeah.
I was like, whoa, buddy, that's a little much.
That's a bold claim. You also do a graphic card tier list for a video. We do like every so often. It's kind of what our...
That's kind of what the video is.
Yeah, we recommend them.
Yeah. I know Scattervolt does videos where he literally has a tier list that he does. I don't want to steal that from him. But
Thank you, Tech. You're our favorite YouTuber. How about that? And we don't even want anything. We don't need you.
Look at that, guys! You want some RGB?
It's like a Swiffer wet jet, y'all. You get a 5500 XT. That's...
Whoa!
I mean, that's a baller AFDL if I've ever seen. But all right, guys, Rating Baker TV will be live same time tomorrow morning. See y'all later. Peace out.